Hi guys, I'm saying this hi guys after a very long time. So hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're anyone who likes eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIYs, then you're at the right place. So please guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this easy eye makeup look with just one eyeshadow and one lipstick. So if you're interested, let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with Wet n Wild's concealer, and I'm going to blend that all well, and I'm going to apply some translucent powder to set that in place. For this eye makeup look, I'm going to use the NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette. I'm going to use that beautiful pink shade. I call it bubble pink shade, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid, and I'm going to use the same shade as my transition. So you don't need many eyeshadows here, just one shadow and you're good to go. Now I'm going to use the same color on my fingers and I'm going to apply that. I'm going to use this YSL Rouge lipstick in dark maroon shade, and I'm going to use that as my eyeliner. So I'm going to take that on an angled brush and I'm going to apply it as my eyeliner. Now I'm going to add this beautiful maroon shade over my liner to set that eyeliner in place. This eye makeup look was supposed to go on the Valentine's Day, and this was shot back in January, but things were not that great this year for us, so I stopped shooting and stopped editing or putting up videos. So that's why you find very less videos on my channel this year. I'm going to use Sugar's Cherry Brown brow definer, and I'm going to fill in my sparse areas of my brows, and I'm going to brush that once again. How are you guys doing? How is everything with you this year? Because everyone is going through something or the other this year. I hope everything is well and going to be well in your lives. I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner in black on my upper and lower lash line, and I'm going to use the same pink shade on my lower lash line as well. And I hope you enjoy my videos. Please guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on my channel. I'm going to use the Balm's Merry Luminizer as my under the brow bone highlighter. I'm going to use this beautiful lime green shade from the same palette as my inner corner highlight, and I'm going to curl my lashes, add some mascara. If you want, you can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to, and if you know me, I do not like falsies, and I know that's a drill for me to add falsies. And guys, this is a very easy eye makeup look, and I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to it. Please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe guys, because please show some love to my channel, because I love what I'm doing. Maybe I'm not that great at it, but I'm learning every day, and I hope you enjoy watching my tutorials guys. Please do follow me on Instagram as well. I'm revamping my Instagram page as well. I know it's taking a lot of time this year, but yes, I'm gonna start with my videos once again. So guys, I love you all, and I hope everything is going to be well in your lives this year. So don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.